In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar with ClickUp. If you plan your day in Google Calendar, but manage tasks in ClickUp, connecting the two keeps dates and events aligned and saves you from double entry. We'll do everything from inside the ClickUp web app on a desktop browser. Start by opening ClickUp and signing into your workspace. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen for the small waffle icon. It looks like a grid of tiny squares. That button opens the launcher for extra tools and settings inside ClickUp. Go ahead and click it. From the launcher, choose Apps. This takes you to ClickUp's app directory where you can discover and manage integrations. At the top, you'll see a search field. Click into that search box and type Google Calendar. As you type, you should see the Google Calendar integration tile appear in the results. Select the Google Calendar tile to open its details. Here you'll see a quick description of what the integration does and the permissions it needs. When you're ready, click Connect. Clicking Connect will open a secure Google sign-in window. In the Google window, pick the Google account you want to use for your calendar. For work setups, choose your work account so events and tasks stay in the right place. Google will list the permissions the integration requires, such as access to view or manage your calendars. Review these, then approve to continue. You may also be prompted for multi-factor authentication depending on your security settings. After approval, you'll be returned to ClickUp and the integration will finish setting up. You should see confirmation that your Google Calendar account is connected. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment or refresh the apps view. A couple of quick tips. If something doesn't look right, make sure you're in the correct ClickUp workspace, expand the sidebar if the waffle icon is hidden, and check with your admin if your organization restricts third-party integrations. If the Google sign-in window doesn't appear, your browser may be blocking pop-ups, so temporarily allow them for ClickUp. And that's it. You opened ClickUp, used the waffle icon to access apps, searched for Google Calendar, selected it, clicked Connect, and signed in to link your account. Your tools are now connected and ready to streamline your scheduling.